Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the crypto world in 2025, transferring your assets from Coinbase to Robinhood is a smart move for better portfolio management. Whether you're looking to consolidate holdings or take advantage of Robinhood's features, I'll walk you through this step by step. It's easier than you think, but always remember to stay secure in the ever-evolving crypto landscape. First off, ensure you have verified accounts on both Coinbase and Robinhood. This is crucial for seamless transfers and to comply with 2025's updated regulations, which might include enhanced KYC checks. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Head straight to the dashboard and locate the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. For example, let's say it's Bitcoin or Ethereum. Step 2. Select the crypto and click on the Send or Withdraw button. You'll be prompted to enter a recipient address. Don't worry, we'll get that next. Now, switch over to Robinhood. Open the app or website, go to your crypto wallet section, and copy your unique wallet address. Double-check it to avoid any costly mistakes. Back in Coinbase, paste that Robinhood address into the recipient field. Make sure to select the correct network. By 2025, this could be something like Ethereum's upgraded version or a new standard, so your transfer doesn't get lost. Enter the amount you want to send, review the transaction details, including any fees, which might be lower in 2025 due to improved blockchain tech. Then, confirm the transfer. It should process quickly, but give it a few minutes to a couple of hours. Once it's done, hop back to Robinhood and refresh your portfolio. Your crypto should appear there. A quick tip: always enable two-factor authentication on both platforms to protect your assets. And remember, crypto markets can be volatile, so transfer wisely. There you have it. Your crypto is now on Robinhood. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.